Hey everyone, if you finished part 1's video, you're ready for part 2. To get started, you're going to click here to practice in Google Slides, and once you do that, you'll click Make a Copy. And what will happen is this page will come up. This page will tell you, as a reminder, to make sure you move it to your math folder and change your name up here at the top, erase your name here, and replace it with your name. Here is what you're going to do. We're going to be finding the perimeter of shapes with models, so let's do it. Here's what you'll do. This is the example slide, and your job on this slide is to line up the squares around the shape. So you'll want to put them right next to each other around the rectangle we have here, and that's going to help you find the perimeter, or how much it takes to get around the shape. So when you do that, you're going to do the first side, and then you'll continue around the shape. And some of you might start to find a way to do this in a shorter way, and that's okay. If you find a way that gets you an accurate answer that's a little more efficient, feel free to do that. But you will want to show the squares at first so you can get used to how this works. So once you've done that, you'll be able to count those squares up to determine the perimeter of the shape. So we're almost done here. So now I've got all of these squares here. And that's, each of these squares, if you can see over to the right, is worth 1 inch. So we're trying to figure out how many inches it takes to get around the shape. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in this box here, I'm going to write 16 inches. Once I've done that, I'm going to go to the next slide and do the same thing. You can leave those squares there so I can see that thinking, or your teacher can. You're going to do this for slide 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Once you get to slide 8, you'll see this, and it says to go back to Canvas to see what's next. And you'll go down to part 3 and watch the video that's there. See you in that video soon.